This is Dan Swede, the president and founder of Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. Here at the community event that was held locally here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, actually Byron Center in Michigan. As you can see, the amazing turnout for all the homeowners coming around wanting to have their trash carts cleaned. During this day, we were actually training two different contractors, one from Utah and one from Wisconsin, that bought trailer packages. So earlier in the day, we actually went to Aero Waste and cleaned like 50 trash cans during the day. Uh, I think we hit like 50 plus in an hour. Finished that part of that training, came over to Byron Center here and started offering trash car cleaning services, and everybody was coming out of the woodwork. So you can see the popularity and the need for the industry. So more details, you can contact Dan Swede at Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. The phone number here is 616-250-4039. That's 616-250-4039. The website you can go to is www.trashbincleanersdirect.com. That's trashbincleanersdirect.com. And the email is info@trashbincleanersdirect.com. You can see how the kids are getting involved. It was a real fun community event. These homeowners were forced to put all their trash cans in the garage, out of sight from the community and street view. So all these filthy, nasty trash cans that are bacteria filled, reek with rotten food and different pet odors. Uh, all were inside the garage, and a lot of these homeowners use the garage for little workshops. They may have the washer and dryer out there. They may end up having the kids' toys, a freezer. So you're mixing food, toys, clothes, vehicles, and having to be around that stench and that bacteria in your garage. If you think about it, if you have your kids right before they get on the bus say, hey, honey, go out there and take the trash cans to the curb. If you got bacteria filled trash bins and you ask your kids to go run them to the curb, you think they're going to come back in after the bus gets there and they're rolling out the curbs to clean and wash their hands? So what you're doing is transferring that bacteria from that garbage can that's much, much worse than a toilet seat onto a school bus or into your home and back into your kitchen. They grab something to eat out of the cupboard or the refrigerator. They're covered with all this. And if you think about it, it could be salmonella, E. coli, bunch of other different bacteria that really are harmful to pets and children, household. The other reason for having the trash bin cleaned is also because of the pollen and the yard waste bin. So if you have family members that have allergies and you're forced to put these pollen-ridden garbage cans, yard waste bins in your garage, you're bringing in that pollen and you're making everything worse when it comes to allergies. So typically, this is the perfect industry. It's 100% unsaturated. Right now, there's 32,000 cities in the United States, and there's only a couple hundred trash car cleaners out there. So great opportunity to start a business. If you have an existing company, especially in a saturated market where, say, you're a pressure cleaning contractor, carpet cleaning, pest control, window cleaner, landscaper, construction company, even moving companies that bought our systems, local moving companies, because they know they can attract hundreds, even thousands of new customers a year, which can benefit both businesses. So it's a perfect profit center as a standalone business. You know, we have people making hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars a year with one rig, one or two people are operating it. It can be ran with one person, not normally more than two. For more details, like I said, give us a call once again, 616-250-4039. And Before I go, I want to mention that we do not use a trash bin hopper, that we're cleaning all that garbage, filth, phosphate, pesticide, herbicide, oil, grease. With Keurig coffee makers, a lot of the coffee can that we used to dump all the kitchen oil and grease that you fry with into, and it would contain them very well, so it wouldn't spill out into the garbage can and wouldn't get really out into the landfills and into the waste stream, wastewater. So the amount of oil, cooking oil, that are in these trash cans have probably increased by 100 times as much since, like, the pod coffee maker, not calling it Keurig at all. But because we don't have the steel coffee cans that we used to have, that were so convenient to dispose of your oil and uh, fried grease and etc. And so these cans are hard to clean, even on a maintenance program. But the first time cleaning, those are tough. We have the world record when it comes to cleaning speeds. When it gets to maintenance cans, the follow-up cleaning is a piece of cake. But we shine through on these type of cleanings that have never been cleaned before in 5, 10, 15 years. We cut right through that with our 4 nozzle stainless steel cleaning heads. And we have a 17-stage wastewater recycling and filtration system, so you can dispose of the wastewater appropriately, all the way down to 5 micron, with oil, water, and phosphate filters in there. Learn more, give us a call. Hi, this is Dan Swede with Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. Here's an example of 3 stages of our 17-stage wastewater recycling and filtration system. You'll see waste oil, diesel fuel, water mixture, and other contaminants being filtered through our HydroClear proprietary filtration system. This is near the end of the 17-stage process, and you can see the way the water is filtered down to crystal clear water. This will filter out phosphates, oils, and hydrocarbons. This is Dan Swede with Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. You can go to trashbincleanersdirect.com or give us a call, get more information. Our direct number is 616-250-4039. That's 616-250-4039, or you can email us at info@trashbincleanersdirect.com. Thank you for watching our video.